so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
What's up, GrierSquad? We back with another video. We out here having fun, but we're gonna make it interesting. So whoever is last place fourth, right, or something like before me that's last. So the last people, the 4 people that's last, gotta do a dare or a bet or whatever, and we're gonna decide that later on in the video. So let's go.
Sure, let's get to it.
Yeah.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
So as you can see, I'm winning. I'm in first place. I don't gotta do anything embarrassing. But everybody else is, though. We're not gonna mind Brant's score. He's cheating, so he don't count, so he automatically loses. Yeah, so you know, I don't gotta do nothing embarrassing, but you see, as you can see, you know, they better get paid. Well, I don't know, it depends. So let's go ahead and finish this game and declare the bet, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? All right.
Round, that's what I'm saying.
Y'all nominated third round because y'all lost?
Third round.
Y'all nominated third round because y'all lost?
As you can see, I clearly beat them. Nobody's close. And yeah, they want to say third round for the bet.
Third round.
You want to split yourself?
Third round. What do you mean? Everything starts at third round.
Third round. If we're doing third round, shake on it right now. Third round. No going back.
No going back. Hey, Josh, shake for it.
He shook for it.
Third round, right?
You said third round? Third round.
The winner gets to decide what we do?
The winner decides what we do. I mean, what the losers do. But the top three don't.
Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back? You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just fake it.
I got one for you, one. Wow. I don't remember this shit now.
That you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back.
Can't do that on your own turn. Can't do that on your own turn. Y'all got anything that y'all would like to say?
Well, somebody left mid-match, and then they wanted to keep starting over and everything. Like, it threw everything off. And yeah, it's round 3.
Wow.
Nah, I think you should add up all the scores, bro. Like, add up all the scores, bro. Chill. Like, you can't go off in one round, bro.
Probably still would lose.
Still be alive.
Stephon, you got anything to say?
First time bowling, I ain't tripping. Y'all just, see next time.
Saying, like, they've been bowling like every, what was the
I have not.
back to back for you, man. Like,
I have not.
They start practicing, man.
I have not.
Oh, yeah, true. Yeah. Like, y'all started doing everybody's.
Wow.
This should be a practice round, to be honest, man. We need to get some.
Oh, I'm the winner, so I decide what they do. Oh. Y'all. Oh, and Josh. Huh?
Yeah. So I think the losers. What do you think the losers should do, Brent?
I think chicken suit.
That's what I was thinking. So he's a winner.
No.
Top 3. So I think the losers.
I think top 2. Let's think top 2. The winners get decide. Top 2.
I mean, we did say top 3. Yeah, we did say top 3. So I think I should get chicken suits and do a lap around Concord Mills Mall and then cut through the food court. I say you should get a chicken suit. Y'all can get it through Amazon or whatever. We can make it happen.
What you mean chicken soup?
Chicken suits. Like, you gonna dress like a chicken and then. Like, you know. Oh no! I thought that was
They
assumed.
can't see your face though.
Okay, sure.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you dead. Hey, what type of
He said, like, they don't have to see our faces, though. So we good.
I don't know. Whatever chicken suits that we find. You still gotta do it.
Brent, you gotta do it. It's top 2, Brent.
It's top 3.
Top 2.
3.
2.
3.
I was 3.
You were 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Me, Brent, and Wayne still top 3.
No, I don't count. It's my first.
So,
Alright, that's what I'm saying, bro.
you said what?
This is my first time bowling.
And you almost had it, but
Bro, I didn't want to count the first 2 games. Nah, just
y'all said we shook on top 3. I mean, we shook on the game 3.
y'all was talking about. I thought y'all was just saying that. Yeah, I thought y'all was just talking.
So we'll see y'all when they do, I mean, we'll see y'all at the mall, I guess. We'll see y'all at the mall, okay.
Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back?